ASDC is fully funded by SEED. SEED is US-based volunteer-run organization. SEED facilitated free vocational skill training to underprivileged young and adults. The goal is to equip, empower, use for necessary tools and skills to lead respectable life. ASDC Advanced Skill Development Center is situated in the heart of the Hyderabad city. Is affiliated to SIVE State Institute of Vocational Education, Board of Intermediate Education, Telangana State, under the sponsorship of SEED USA and managed by the Quran Foundation.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Mohammad Saifuddin. I'm an IT engineer and I did my digital marketing course from ASDC Institute. I'm very much confident and satisfied after doing the digital marketing course at ASDC Advanced Skill Development Center. It is situated at Shalibadda, Sayyid Ali Chabutra, above Lee Chinese Restaurant. The website for ASDC is www.asdc-india.com. Anybody can visit and enroll for admissions. The courses organized here are completely free of cost. Since the courses are cost freely, the aim of the institute is to make the students enabled and self-employed. And moreover, the quality of training is brilliant because the aim of the faculties here is not the commercial aspects, but to make the students enabled and train them very well so that they should be competitive in the outside world.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sheikh Zarar Ahmed and I learned graphic designing in Advanced Skill Development Center. After completing my course, I got a job in Sethi Art Company, which is most reputed company.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sayyid Ali Mustafa and I have completed my Bachelor's of Computer Science last year. So as I was in my Bachelor's, so I was thinking to upgrade my skills in cloud computing, so I was not getting an opportunity to enhance my skills in cloud computing or Linux. So one of my cousin brother recommended to go and visit ASDC Center and go and meet with the founder of the ASDC like Munawar sir and director Luqman sir. So when I visited here, I got to know that there is a Linux workshop. So when I appeared for Linux workshop, the sirs told me that you have a 1 week training period time. In that training period time, you have to prove yourself for to work in their company. So in that 1 week period, I proved myself, and Alhamdulillah, now I got a job in Synaptics company. Its headquarters is in US, New Jersey. So currently, I am pursuing CCNA from the ASDC. And many more thanks to the ASDC organization. Without them, I was unable to enhance my skills in these things.
Good afternoon everyone. This is Neha Kabra. I am a student of digital marketing in ASDC. I completed my 3 months of course in ASDC of digital marketing and I got a job in Synaptics company in this digital marketing field only. I am very thankful to everyone in this ASDC institute, every faculty, my Sadiq sir, who are giving their 100% to reach us our goal in very soon, and I got job also. So I am very thankful to everyone and I recommend everyone to step out and join in ASDC. It is very much environment here. We feel very like secure here as a girl, and this is a like good platform who are like looking for jobs. They are giving their 100% to make us to reach our goals. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Ashna Kagra. I have taken admission here in ASDC to learn digital marketing. It is free of cost, and after completing digital marketing, I got a job in Synaptics company with the help of ASDC. I recommend all the students who wanted to learn new things. This is a very good opportunity for those students who want to learn new things and start their career.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Khadar Mohyuddin. I took admission in MS Office at ASDC in the month of August. I have learned MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint and English language skills and soft skills and how to use internet. Because of these skills, I got a job opportunity in Digitize Group as a computer operator, and I am very thankful to ASDC for giving me this learning opportunity.
I have joined ASDC. I am very much grateful for ASDC to provide me this quality training. As before joining this institute, I was very much worried about my job, as when the lockdown was imposed, I used to work as a sales before the lockdown was imposed, and I lost my job during the lockdown, and after the lockdown I was not able to get the pay I used to get. But after joining the ASDC, Alhamdulillah, I have got 2 projects before completing the course, and as well as there is one ongoing project on which I am working as well, and Alhamdulillah, I have cracked 2 interviews because of the training provided here, and the training which I am getting here is very much helpful for me, not only for me as well as everyone who has joined the institute. And even at the end, I would like to thank ASDC for providing this opportunity. Thank you.